Transform and texture projection are specialized mapping nodes. Their functionality resembles the options available in the material object itself. However, when using the dedicated Octane nodes, you're able to see the changes dynamically update in the live viewer. Additionally, you are given far more intuitive and powerful controls. Let's take a look at Transform first. It allows you to rotate, scale, or translate any texture or shader in X, Y, and Z. You probably remember it from previous lessons. Some shaders have it applied by default, and for others, it is an optional feature. For example, Chex has it on as this shader has no transform options on its own. The image texture node, on the other hand, hints for its availability by this UVW transform button. Clicking it will automatically assign the shader for you. Before going into details, I will assign a simple image to help us better see the transformations as they occur. The type dropdown is an optional control in case you want to isolate the space the effect operates in. Usually, it is something you will not have to play with too much. Same applies to the next dropdown. This affects the order the transformations are applied in. Reset logically sets everything back to the defaults. The available functions are separated into 3 groups. R means rotation in X, Y, and Z. In this example, Z rotation is the one that will actually have an effect. Values are measured in degrees. S is for scale in X, Y, and Z. Axis can be scaled either uniformly or not. T stands for translate, again in all 3 axes. Transform is especially helpful when used in conjunction with nodes from the generators group. It is an essential ingredient when creating procedural materials which are, by definition, greatly favored by Octane.